Now that I have shared the progress made so far, imagine whenever two meteoroids interact with each other, that is, they collide, and some dust particles or some sprite spawns that grows and shrinks, or some kind of effect that shows that collision has happened. That would make the game feel more immersive, and that is what I'm trying to target next. Now this is going to be first for collision between meteoroids, and right after that we are going to do this for bullet and meteoroids. So what will happen is, whenever bullet collides with the meteoroid, there is going to be some effect that is being spawned or generated on the collision point, contact point. So now I'm trying to figure out that how to find that collision point, how to find that location on which contact occurred. So that is what I'm dealing with as of now, and soon I will be sharing an update on this. So this is as far as it goes for today.